Hey everybody, Coach Paula here, and today is day 8 of our 15-day Summer Sculpt series that I hope you are absolutely loving. So let's get started. Our first exercise is a windmill variation. So we're starting with our right side first, and then we'll move to our left. Our left foot will point to the front. Our right foot and our stance will be just a little about shoulder width apart, but our right foot is turned at 45 degrees. Now, again, weights are in my hands. So this is a weighted workout. It is optional. If you do not have weights, that's okay. This is a great workout no matter what. And I will tell you how to put your hands or anything that you might need to know without weights. Now, if you want to improvise, maybe you don't have weights and you could use water bottles or something like that. Whatever you have on hand works great. So let's get started with the very first exercise, which is that windmill. So right hand is going to trace down our leg with our left hand extended above our head. Now remember, tailbone tucked, core tight. And we're going to trace down, hinging at our hips, come all the way down to our ankle if we can, coming right back up. And we'll continue to repeat that on our right side and then switch to our left side when we're done. So 30 seconds on the clock. Here we go. Left hand up, coming down all the way and then back up. So like I said, it's a variation of a windmill. Making sure your tummy is nice and tucked, nice, that core nice and tight. You can really feel this in your obliques. So you are really hinging at that hip to get that full extension all the way down and back up. Exhale when you come back up. 3, 2, last one. Good work. Now let's switch to that left side. Here we go. 45 degree on the left foot, arm up, hinge at the hip, all the way back up. Good job. Core tight. Exhale when you come up. Inhale when you go down. Good work. Core tight. I have to remind myself too. 3, 2, and 1 more. Good job. Now, arms down. Now I'm gonna put one weight down for our next exercise is an overhead pendulum. So you'll take the one weight. If you're not using weight, you can interlace your fingers above your head. So you'll take the weight above your head and you'll just go from side to side. Now, again, feet shoulder width apart, tailbone tucked, core tight. We have to maintain a tight core. Let's get ready through this whole thing. Arms up, and we're going to just flow from side to side. If we do not maintain a tight core, we're defeating our purpose of really targeting those obliques. You should feel them tighten every time you lean from side to side. So keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Bring those weights down. And let's pick up that second weight. We're going to work on some side bends next. So again, same position. Feet shoulder width apart, tailbone tucked, core tight. Hands are down by your hips, shoulders are down and back. And you will just stretch down and come back up in the middle and stretch down to the other side and come back up again. Again, keeping that core tight, targeting those obliques. Let's go. Good job. Just keep breathing through. Keep everything engaged. Your thighs, your glutes, your core. Keep that back straight, nice and tall. Chest up. Keep smiling. Think about how nice and trim that waist is gonna look. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Now, I'm gonna put the weight down again. And we're going to just use one this time because we're doing knee tuck extensions on our right side first and then followed by our left. And I'm going to show you, we're going to put on our right side, weight in our right hand, left hand on our hip, and we're pointing our right toe out, extending our arm above our head, and we're coming down elbow to knee. If it's too difficult on your hip to raise on the side, you can just do a standing, like just a knee raise with a shoulder press. That will work as well. It won't be really targeting those glutes, but it'll still core your abs, which will still be effective. So let's get that timer going. Here we go. Hand up, knee point or foot pointed, not your knee pointed, toe pointed. Inhale when you bring your knee up to your elbow. Exhale when you lift that weight. Good work. Slow movement, very controlled. Keep that core tight. Really target those abdominals or those obliques. 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Let's switch sides. Weight in that left hand, toe pointed. Put your hand up. Bring that elbow down to your knee. Keep breathing. Keep that core tight. Three, 2, make this last one count. Good work. Now, you just wrapped up round 1. Now let's take some good deep breaths in through our nose, out through our mouth. One more time. Good job. Now let's get after round 2. Round 2 starts with those windmills. Remember, left foot facing forward, right foot at a 45. Here we go. Left arm above your head, trace down to your ankle, and back up. Good work.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Keep that core tight. Keep breathing. You're doing great. 3, 2, last one. Good job. Swap sides. You've got this. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna not. Gracious. Let's swap sides. Here we go. Keep breathing. Keep the core tight. Keep that arm up. 3, 2, last one. Big push. There you go. Now let's do that overhead pendulum with one weight. Remember, just clasp your hands if you don't have a weight. Arms above your head, core tight. Good job. Make sure your knees are softly bent. Breathing. Feel those obliques working. Good job. 3, 2, and 1. Let's grab that second weight. Here we go. Right into those side bends. Shoulders back, core tight. Tuck that tailbone. Good job. those shoulders back. You're doing good. 3, 2, and 1. Let's put one weight down again. All right, right into that knee tuck extension. Right weight in your right hand, right toe pointed. Here we go. Keep that core tight. You're doing great. Three, 2, and 1. Good work. Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Keep the core tight. Good strong arms. Ooh, don't lose your balance. Keep a little soft bend in that knee. Three, 2, last 1. Good job. Well done. You just wrapped up round 2. Now, take some good deep breaths again. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. One more time. Now, let's crush round 3. Windmills. Remember, left foot facing forward, right foot at a 45. Here we go. Left arm above your head. Trace down to your ankle and back up. Good work. Keep that core tight.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Keep breathing. You're doing great. 3, 2, last 1. Good job. Swap sides. You've got this. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna not. Gracious. Let's swap sides. Here we go. Keep breathing. Keep that core tight. Keep that arm up. 3, 2, last 1. Big push. There you go. Now let's do that overhead pendulum with 1 weight. Remember, just clasp your hands if you don't have a weight. Arms above your head, core tight. Good job. Make sure your knees are softly bent. Breathing. Feel those obliques working. Good job. 3, 2, and 1. Let's grab that second weight. Here we go. Right into those side bends. Shoulders back, core tight. Tuck that tailbone. Good job. Keep those shoulders back. You're doing good. 3, 2, and 1. Let's put 1 weight down again. All right, right into that knee tuck extension. Right weight in your right hand, right toe pointed. Here we go. Keep the core tight. You're doing great. Three, 2, and 1. Good work. Let's go to the other side. Here we go. Keep that core tight. Good strong arms. Ooh, don't lose your balance. Keep a little soft bend in that knee. Three, 2, last 1. Good job. I'm so proud of you. You just conquered day 8 and did an awesome job. Now, I hope you don't forget to check out the recipe below as well. So I really want to hear where you're from, if you've been doing the recipes as well as the challenge, and what you have liked best so far. So if you like this workout, give us a thumbs up. And to make sure that you do not miss any future workouts, subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon below. And do not forget to join us for day 9. You don't want to miss it. Have an incredible day. I cannot wait to see you next time.